Hi, I'm Raymond Miller with Audio Advisor. Today we're excited to introduce you to a bookshelf speaker that punches well above its weight, the MartinLogan Motion Foundation B2. Before we dive into the details, let's briefly touch on MartinLogan's commitment to audio excellence. For decades, MartinLogan has been pushing the boundaries of audio reproduction, consistently delivering innovative speaker designs that bring music to life with unparalleled clarity and precision. The Motion Foundation series represents MartinLogan's dedication to bringing high-end audio performance to more accessible price points without compromising on quality. Now let's explore what makes the B2 truly special. As the largest bookshelf speaker in the Motion Foundation lineup, the B2 offers impressive detail and scale that's completely unexpected in its class. It's perfect for those seeking a fuller sound in a versatile compact package. At the heart of the B2 is MartinLogan's signature Gen 2 Obsidian folded motion tweeter. This marvel of engineering utilizes an extremely low-mass diaphragm. The accordion-like structure increases the playable surface area while maintaining a compact size, delivering efficiency and precision that must be heard to believe. Complementing the tweeter is the innovative folded motion waveguide. This addition enhances sound consistency across your listening space, ensuring that every seat gets maximum clarity, perfect for both music and dialogue. The B2 pairs this advanced tweeter with a custom-designed 6.5-inch aluminum mid-bass driver. This powerful combination results in impressive bass and a fuller sound that you might not expect from a bookshelf speaker. The B2 also features MartinLogan's controlled dispersion technology, minimizing the impact of room acoustics and increasing placement flexibility. The folded motion waveguide enhances this further, providing a generous 90 degrees by 90 degrees dispersion pattern. Available in rich walnut, sleek black, and elegant satin white, the B2 isn't just a speaker, it's a stylish addition to any room. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what the experts are saying. MartinLogan's B2 is a triumph of engineering. The integration between the folded motion tweeter and aluminum driver is seamless, resulting in a coherent, detailed soundstage that extends well beyond the speaker's physical boundaries. It's a true audiophile speaker that won't dominate your living space. With a frequency response of 48 Hz to 23 kHz, 89 dB sensitivity, and the ability to handle up to 100 watts of power, the B2 is ready to fill any room with rich, detailed sound. For those who appreciate customization, the B2 features secure lock grills. Keep them on for a classic look, or remove them to showcase the beautiful drivers. And for optimal placement, the B2 is fully compatible with MartinLogan's Stand 25, creating a solid stand mount solution. I hope you're as excited about the MartinLogan Motion Foundation B2 as we are here at Audio Advisor. To experience these remarkable speakers for yourself, visit our website. Your journey to audio nirvana begins now, even in smaller spaces. This is Raymond Miller. Thanks for watching.